Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Finance with Nick. Now for today's video, we're gonna do a little what if. Now the what if that we're gonna explore today is if we invested $10,000 in Tesla 10 years ago. Now the average person hangs on to a long-term investor. Let me get that straight. A long-term investor hangs on a stock for 10 years. So going by that metric, we're gonna see how much money we'd have if we invested in Tesla for that benchmark time frame. Now, a lot of stuff happened with Tesla in this last 10 years. A lot of ups and downs, but if you stuck through it all and bought it on June 2011, and today, I just looked at the price today, so all this is accurate to the day. But first, let's look into some of the headlines that were popping off in 2011. Now, the first one that pops up is Tesla is now trading higher than Ford, GM, VW. Yeah, we blew them out of the water. All right, and then we got another potential 10x stock idea, why Tesla is the next Apple. Now, I don't know who wrote that, but they deserve a raise. Tesla Motors stock attracts short sellers. Now this new term is like meme investors and meme stocks. Tesla was the first. Tesla is the first and will always be the OG meme stock. All right, what else do we got? Tesla shifts to 41. Tesla, the looming short squeeze. Oh look, history repeats itself. Elon Musk is the new Steve Jobs. All right, now obviously Tesla wasn't as popular as it is now. So Tesla's IPO was at $17, June 29, 2010. Now $17 is pre-stock split. So if you take that into account is around like $4 or $5. So about a year later is our 10-year mark. So if we had $10,000, we could buy 1,886 stocks of Tesla. The average price right there was $5.30. So we'd get a little over 1,800, or sorry, just little. No, that was right. Now there was a lot of fluctuations over the years. The lowest point after that benchmark was negative 18%. It got your $10,000 all the way down to about 8,200. Now it would be really hard to hold on to Tesla for 10 years because if you look at 5 years ago, you'd 10x your money. If you look at like 2 years ago, you would have been like 15x your money. But most of the money made was in the last 2 years. So the lowest point in the last 10 years was 8,200. The highest point, which is, oh my God. So if you sold at the highest point, which probably no one did, or maybe some did, I honestly don't know. It went all the way, the stock of Tesla went all the way up to $880 after the stock split. And your projected account would have $1.65 million. Now that is the absolute high point. The 8,200 was the absolute low point. Now, if you stuck through it all and you sold it today, today is June 14th. This video will probably released on June 15th. If you sold it today, the stock price is currently $616.38. If you sold it right now, you got off the train, your account would have $1.65 million. Wow. That would basically be a little over $100,000 per year. But like I said before, most of the money would have been made in the last 2 years. So if you just held on for this last 2 years, you made some money. Now Tesla is a unicorn of a stock. It's pretty crazy that you would turn $10,000 to almost retirement ready within a decade. Now, like I said, hindsight is 2020, but it is pretty fascinating if you truly believe in a company to hold on and ride through it all because you could be greatly rewarded. Of course, now for every Tesla, there's hundreds of companies that go the opposite way or definitely don't get the amount of returns that Tesla did during that time frame. But it's cool to take a look at some of these unicorn stocks. And if you are one of the people that bought it 10 years ago and is still holding on to it, let me know in the comment section. I want to see your ride. I want to ask you so many questions. All right, that is it. That's it for today. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure to like, subscribe. If you have any questions or are one of these people that have held on this long, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. I appreciate you and I'll see you next time. Peace.